So in this video we will learn how to adjust margins in Word. So we'll open a blank page so you can see the office will redirect you to the home page. So you will go to page layout, and from here you can change your margins. Also you can customize your margin. Here you can see the preview layout. You can increase it, decrease it, top, left, right, and also from bottom. And here you can see the layout. You can also increase, decrease as per your requirement. You can also set as default, so the new document will be set on these margins. Thank you.